Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the hierarchy of Facebook ads. All right. So when you need to run the Facebook ads, you need to make sure that you tick the boxes accordingly. So first thing that you will require is the Facebook page account, Facebook page, and which should be linked with your Facebook account. All right. Then that Facebook page should be linked with your Facebook Business Manager account. One Business Manager account can have multiple ad accounts. So just for an example, that if I'm the company owner and I have different sub companies within me, like I'm the parent company and then I have some other companies within me, then I would create different ad accounts for that, so that these all different ad accounts work as a different functional units and are not interconnected with each other. So you have to make sure that thing. So one Facebook Business Manager account will have multiple ad accounts, right? Like this. All right. So this is how it is. Now we'll talk about the individual ads manager account. All right. So one in what is there in one ads manager account? So one ad manager account, if you have, then you can run multiple campaigns within it. All right. So you can run multiple campaigns just like this. So multiple campaigns to in order to get multiple kind, like different kind of results. For example, why do we run the campaign? We need to understand this thing very in a nice way, in a proper way, that what is the use of the campaign. All right, so Facebook, they have the Facebook campaign, the Facebook ads manager account is divided into three tiers. All right, so first is campaign, second is ad set, and third is the ad. So when you are running the campaign, you have to identify the objective that you are running the ads for. So that is the part of the campaign. So you need to define your objective. So the objective can be anything. It can be getting more engagement, getting more leads, getting more purchase through a website. It can be anything, but you have to make sure that you are very specific with this thing, because you have to tell very specifically to Facebook what exactly you are looking for. Are you looking for leads, and are you looking for traffic? There is a difference, a stark difference between this both. For example, if you have selected traffic as your campaign objective, then Facebook will show the ads to the kind of people who will be more interested to click on your link and go to the website, but not take any action out of it. There will be people who will be taking the action, but if your campaign is not optimized for purchase, then there are less chances that people will buy, because the algorithms work that way. Because Facebook's first priority is to get more clicks, then the second priority is your purchase. So and if you run a campaign for the objective of purchase, there will be more chances that you get less clicks, or less quality clicks, or whatever, but you get more purchases. So you have to make a very smart choice within this, because there are many people, and in the past we also do, as a marketer, used to do this mistake. Sometimes we used to try different objectives just to see what's working, not what's working, and things, just making sure that, okay, maybe I'll run a traffic campaign and then I'll run the purchase campaign. But you have to be very sure when you're doing it, because you're doing two things. When you're correctly telling Facebook what exactly you are looking out for this campaign, you are saying Facebook to optimize the ads accordingly, and to train the pixel accordingly. Whatever is the most important thing for your business, do that. If it's getting more traffic to your website, all right, that should be your target. If you're getting more, if you want more leads, your objective should be lead generation. If you're getting more sales, if you want more sales, your objective should be purchase. All right, so this makes just make clear, just be very specific and clear on this part. So this is what the job of the campaign is, to to start with an objective. All right, the second thing, with under campaign, in the one campaign you can create multiple ad sets. Now what is an ad set? So AdSet is a part of the Facebook where you can target the audiences. You can define what kind of audience you want to target. So this kind of audience can be anything. You can select their age, you can select their gender, what kind of interest they have, why would they be interested in your product, and all of that. You have to do the customer persona first in order to target, because I feel that it's very important that you go through this exercise of customer persona. I'll definitely create a separate video for that, because I have got some queries regarding this as well, so I will create one video for that. So what is customer persona? That is how do you define your audience? Basically, that is customer persona. So you can define everything within adset, okay? And you can also run you can also um, choose between CBO and ABO within the adset level. So if you want to if you want to go for campaign level optimization, um, campaign budget optimization, or ad set budget optimization, you have to select on that part. So basically, uh, there is a there, this is also a very interesting topic. I think I can cover that in one particular video so that we don't jumble up everything. So ad set, within ad set, just remember that you can do targeting. Now you have to target different kind of audiences who will be interested in your products. So this can be raw targeting, interest based targeting, and it can be a custom audience targeting. So what is a custom audience? So custom audience is something that you are using your current customers as an audience, or people who have shown interest in your business with some or the other way. It can be your Instagram followers, your Facebook page followers, or it can be the email list that you have. And for that you have to add all the people's data within Facebook so that it feeds it properly. If not, if you do not have that, then that's all right. We can, it's not necessary to use a custom audience in the start. As in, when you build your customers, build your reputation, there'll be people who will be following you, and then you can create custom audiences out of that. Also, very important thing within custom audience is lookalike audience. So lookalike audience basically is the extended version of your custom audience. So you tell Facebook, okay, I have this 200 to 300 people who are actually interested in my business. I need to create a lookalike audience of this, who will be also interested within what I have to offer. So this is what a lookalike audience is. All right. So this is what you have to decide everything in the ad set part. It's very crucial part, because you have to do all your targeting, all your filterings. You want to exclude people, include people. You can do everything here. Maybe you want to exclude your customers who have already purchased from you. So you can exclude that audience and include all other people who have not purchased from you. You can do retargeting from here. Everything is possible. All right, so this is what the ad set is. Then if you want to so one ad set can have multiple ads. All right, so one campaign can have multiple ad sets, one ad set can have multiple ads. So if you now have defined your audience, that this is who I want to show my my ads to. All right, so this is what you want to, this is the kind of audience that you want to show your ads to, basically. So you will define this. All right, so once you define this, you need to understand what you're going to show to your audience. You need to uh, check that that part, that okay, I am now making I have I'm targeting people based on this pain point. So my ad should have that particular pain point video or an image on that particular pain point that I'm going to solve. So for creating the ads, I usually use this one methodology of hook story offer. So your creative or your video, whatever it is, it should be very attractive. It should be like, okay, there is a hook where people like just stopping the scrolling, and they're just looking at, okay, what's happening, okay, I just want to know more about this. So this is what a hook is. They just stop and look at what you have to offer. So this is called hook. And then story, what how you're going to help them, or your story, or it can be something that grabs their attention after the hook. And then offer, you have to give the solution, what exactly you are going to offer to them, right? So a hook story offers is something that works really well, and maybe I can definitely create one more video on that, how the ad should be very attractive, and then you can write all the text and all of that and run the ads. So this is what the ads is. One ad set can have multiple ads. It can be a retargeting ad, the normal ads, different pain points, scattering different problems. So it can be anything, so what I usually do is I always, for my people, for my clients whom I work with, I try to find out what are the pain points of their customers. All right, and then I segregate the audience accordingly. So for example, there are people who in the different age groups might have different problems, right? For horse riding, basically. So what I do is, one of my clients is from horse riding institute, and they have people all across the world, and then they have people who are of every age. So she told me all the pain points according to age, according to the levels of horse riding, and then we cater that accordingly in the ads. So we talk about different one pain point to one particular kind of audience, another pain point to another kind of audience, and that audience we define in ad set, and the ads we define in the ads area, and then we see what results we are getting, how we are retargeting them. People who have seen our videos, people who have seen us anywhere in any form, and if they have shown some more interest, like if they have clicked on the website, they have read through everything, but still they have not made a purchase, we keep that retargeting, and the retargeting ads really perform much better than the normal ads, obviously, because they have known your brand, they know about you, and then they are on the urge of buying, but they're still thinking, they're still in the process. So retargeting works really well. So this is what it is for now. This is how the hierarchy of the Facebook looks. The business manager account has a lot of ads manager account. Within ads manager account, there one ad manager account will have multiple campaigns that you can run simultaneously all at once, whatever your targeting objective is. Then one campaign will have different ad sets account, and one ad set will have different ads account. So that is the different ads, that's it. So this is what it is. All right, if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section, and please do like, share, and subscribe, and please motivate me. That will really motivate me and to make such educational videos. All right, bye.